Welcome. Good morning, everybody. My name is Michael Wimmer, and I'm very happy to host you today. I'm from the research unit of computer graphics, representing TU Wien here. And on behalf of TU Wien, I'm very happy that we can host this event, the X Developer Conference, the X.Org Developer Conference. Open source graphics has been very important for our group for a long time. We've been working on real-time rendering and real-time graphics for a long time. So already, I don't know, so like 20, 30 years ago, our students have programmed games using register access to the VGA graphics card, and this has now developed. And I'm very happy that apart from the closed source that we have on the Windows, there is also an open stack available, and this is a really important development for graphics. Today you're in the TU Wien Kuppelsaal. If you look at this beautiful vault, it's this building, or this part of the building, exists since almost 200 years. And it has up to 1950, it was used, I think, as office space, which is a bit strange. But in 2008, it has been renovated and used as a room for events like this ever since. So it's a very nice room, and I think I'm very happy that we can offer this venue to you for the following couple of days. And well, this event would not have been possible without the relentless working of Heinrich Fink here, who is from Snap, and his team over there. They have been working a lot. I think we can give him a big hand. And to keep this short and to keep the program on track, I will now hand over to Heinrich, who will lead you to the rest of the day, starting maybe with a couple of more thanks to sponsors and so on, to whom I'm also grateful. So thank you.
Thanks a lot, Michi. Yeah, so my name is Heinrich Fink. I'm a software engineer at Snap here in Vienna. I was also a student at TU Wien, so not to get too nostalgic, but I came here 20 years ago and registered for the computer graphics curriculum. And yeah, I'm really excited to have you all here discuss open source graphics the next 3 days. So welcome to TU Wien. Of course, the whole conference would not be possible without the sponsors. First of all, thank you, TU, for hosting us here in these rooms. Then we have gold sponsors, AMD, ARM, Collabora, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Snap. Silver sponsors, Codeweavers, FEX, Igalia, Qualcomm, and the Linux Foundation. And bronze sponsors, the Kronos Group and libcomputer. Thank you all. It would not be possible without the support. All right, just going to run through a few logistics and other things on the conference. Wi-Fi access, I put this up for some time. It's really nice that we have encrypted access. I hope it's not too troublesome logging in there, so we have this printed out somewhere downstairs. If you have problems with the encrypted connection, first of all, every login and pass is individual, and it's printed on the back side of your badge. So yeah, configure it accordingly. If you have issues with it, there's a fallback Wi-Fi, which is called TUNet Guest, which also uses the same login, but it's not encrypted. So keep that in mind. If you need to fall back to that, maybe use a VPN or something like that if you care about this. Next, the venue itself. Well, you already found your way, so I guess you know part of it. We're here at the Kuppelsaal. The elevators are here, which brings you both down to the third floor and, of course, the ground floor as well. There's also a staircase. So if you want to use that rather than wait in the elevators, you can go down here to the third floor directly. We have workshops in the Begleitraum Kuppel. So that's just down the hall on the left side. And yeah, behind it are the restrooms. We are plenty of people, so there should be, it's a university, so there are restrooms around the place. So if it's too busy there, just go somewhere else to a restroom. Yeah, there's also some wardrobe here, so you can hang your things, but please consider this, it's not code checked, so use it at your own risk. The third floor, we have coffee breaks and breakfast. There's also going to be some demo table info area from Snap, where some of my colleagues will demo spectacles in the breaks, if you're interested in that. Yeah, main staircase to the exit, and of course here it goes up to the Kuppelsaal itself. All right, on the program, check out the website for up-to-date schedule and information. Like every year there are lightning talks, very strict rules, it's only 5 minutes, no questions, and please upload the slides early enough so I can put them all into the same deck. Ideally before, I would say, the last break on the day. I would consider that as timely enough. Meetings, workshops, I think we still have capacity in the workshop room, so if you have any ad hoc ideas or want to work on something together, then just reach out to us. I think there should be plenty of time available. We also have a live stream, which is hosted by TU Wien's LectureTube streaming system. If you are attending remotely, please post questions in the Matrix channel. So we'll monitor it, and yeah, there's a bit of latency. I think we have 8 or 10 seconds, so yeah, keep that in mind if we take a bit longer to react to it, but should still be fine. Where to eat? We have some breakfast and coffee breaks with a bit of food as well. For lunch, everyone just gets their own lunch in the area here. There are plenty of options. I can post, I can maybe post a list later of recommendations, but I think really if you leave the building, here's the TU, and you go sort of in the area behind that, there's like a ton of restaurants. I mean, you can find that, of course, on your online map application. And there's also what's called the Naschmarkt in this area, which is like a market that has a lot of options. So yeah, that might be plenty of time to roam around and get some lunch. We also have a welcome reception tonight in Café Kunsthalle. This is sponsored and hosted by Snap. It is really in walking distance, so if you leave the TU here, you just go across the park to the other side, and we'll start at 6:30. There will be food and drinks. Yeah, and that's tonight. Hope to see you all there. Like every year, this conference has a code of conduct. So it's an X.Org Foundation event, and there are strict anti-harassment rules. You all accepted it, so this should not be a surprise. Here it is again. You can find the full code of conduct also on the XDC website. If there's any breaches, please report them immediately to one of the people here on that list. Send an email. There's also an organization phone number that you can reach. Yeah, please do that immediately if there's anything to report here. All right, any further questions, please post them in the Matrix channel. Send me an email or call me if that's if you have any questions, or just reach out to my colleagues who are also here at the conference, and we will help you out. And with that, enjoy the conference, and yeah, have fun. So we have the first talk starting, I think, in 5 minutes by Faith. Descriptors are hard.